Hi, Jim Gerke here with Executive Greens. We're Wisconsin's largest and most referred putting green specialist. We'll make you a better golfer. We're going to make your friends and family green with envy. And if you have a son or daughter, we're going to make them a much better person, give them the necessary life skills to be successful through integrity, honor, respect, and confidence. If you want a no-cost, no-obligation consultation from Executive Putting Greens, just call 414-367-9215.